Hey guys, it's RHC. I'm taking a little walk here in between storms because I watched a video this morning by NC Stoney. I'm sure you all know who he is. He's a very good guy, great content, and he's going through some hard times. So I thought I'd put this together for him. And at the same time, I wanted to give a big shout out to my best friend from high school, Daniel Shoemaker. He lives in San Diego, works at NASCO, and he finally got that Kia Stinger he always wanted. And I'm really happy that he did. So as you can see here, we are in between storms. And lo and behold, what do we got here? It's almost like it was meant to be. The rainbow, saying come this way. So I meandered down this trail that I've never been on before. And I thought, wow, I hope I can get something, anything, before it starts pouring down rain again.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
To all of you that don't know NC Stoney, please go to his channel and watch his latest video. It's called Let Me Explain. It was the only video I watched on that morning, and it was enough to make me want to reach out and do something for him. Anything. This was the best I could think of doing. Stoney, brother, we care about you, and we hope to see you back soon. Much love, honor, and respect.